Hey y'all, it's your girl Taylor Lauren and welcome back to my channel. So July 11th, I celebrated 3 years locked, which is crazy to think that I've had my locks for 3 years. Time goes by so fast. And in this video, I just want to take a look back on my lock journey with some pictures and some videos that I've taken over the 3 years, as well as answer some of y'all's most asked questions. Okay, I get a lot of questions about my hair and just different things, and in this video I'm going to be sure to answer all of those questions. Before we get into it, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Turn your post notifications on, and let's get to it. So I'm not going to do every month. I'm just going to show some pictures over the course of, the past 3 years that are that stick out to me more. So this first picture was 5 days after I got my starter locks. So I don't have a picture of my starter locks. I don't know why I didn't take a picture of them, but I don't have a picture of my starter locks. But when I got my starter locks, I literally started wearing wigs. So this was my hair after having like a wig cap on it, and as y'all can see, it's kind of frizzy, it's a little unraveled and everything. And yeah, y'all, those were my baby locks. This is the picture, this is the only picture that I have of my locks when they were first started. Okay, so I'm looking at the picture on my phone. So this next picture was September 2017. So this, I had taken my hair down. I had got my hair retwisted, and then after I got it retwisted, I just got it braided back. And this was me taking my hair out of the braids to go get my hair done again. So I was about July, August, September. So I was only like 2 months locked. Who is texting me? All right, next we have October 2017. This is when I basically had to start wearing my hair out, because even when I would get it braided down to wear underneath a wig, it was too, like, the braids was not flat. Like, it was very bumpy if I wore a wig. So I had to start wearing my locks out at this point, and I was 3 months locked, my little baby locks. This is just another look at my locks at 3 months. It's so crazy to see just how short my locks was, because in my head my hair was never this short, but history says otherwise. Okay, so this is in December. This was my first style, and pretty much I kept rocking this for a minute. I love this style. It was like the little, I want to say they're called barrels, but it was like the barrel roll, and I had one going, like, I would always have one right here, and then the rest would kind of just like go back. And I'll put the little gold things in there, and easy peasy. Okay, yes, this is a better picture. The filter is kind of over my hair, but you can see, like, my hair just is not, I mean, it's still baby locks. Like, they don't look as like formed as, of course, my locks look now. And yeah, my little baby locks. Okay, and so here we are in June of 2018. So here I was 11 months locked. My hair, oh my goodness, like, I just really can't get over how short my hair was. But I just remember, like, my hair at that time, the ends were really frizzy. Like, my ends were very, very frizzy. I mean, right now you can't tell that my hair is frizzy still, but like, it was just really frizzy and squishy. Now my hair is like really frizzy, and it's, kind of more hard. But I remember just then, like, my hair was always really, really, really frizzy. So boom, here we are, a year locked. Oh my goodness, my hair is definitely very frizzy, like I said. Seeing a lot more growth. And yeah, you guys, this was my hair at a year locked. From that to this. Definitely after I hit the year mark, I felt like my locks started to become more like cylinder and, a little less frizzy. Like I said, my hair is still frizzy. You can't tell now because I just took it out, a twist out. Well, I didn't just take it out, but my hair is just, it wasn't a twist out. But like, if you rub my hair, you can still tell that my hair is still frizzy. But I just started to see a lot more maturity in my hair in the second year of my lock journeys. This picture is in November of 2018. And I remember just like at this time really starting to just get into my hair because it was growing a lot. Also, once I hit the year mark is when I started getting twists as a style when I got my hair retwisted. Of course, I didn't get it here, but I find that for me, keeping my hair in a style for a long time is just It's just words. Okay, so this video right here is July 11th of 2019. So I was actually like right this day, I was 1.5 years. And I had this little filter on my hair just to see how it would look red. And yeah, you guys, as y'all can see, my hair was just growing. I feel like, okay, that's side note. This is a bad habit that I have. I do my locks like this. I don't know why I do this with my locks. Like I would just be sitting somewhere watching TV on my phone and I do this. So don't do that. Don't do that though. Don't do that. Okay, so boom, here we are, 2 years locked. Of course my hair grew. I would just say from 1 year to 2 years, just a lot less frizz. Length and a lot less frizz. Yeah, y'all, my locks on. I kind of miss them being this short. I do. I can say that I do kind of miss my hair being this short. Okay, so side note, from 1.5 years till now, y'all kind of been able to see my journey because I started my YouTube channel when I was 1.5 years locked. So just like from then till like now, y'all seen these videos and seen the journey of my locks, but we still gonna do a review. So in this picture, I was 2.5 years locked just a little 6 months ago. Oh my goodness. So from then to now, wow, like my hair has grown a lot. I didn't even realize that. 6 months, because this was January 2020. Yeah, a lot of life has happened since January 2020. But yeah, y'all, so then, like, I mean, as you can see, like, look at my hair. That is crazy. Again, I would have never noticed this if I didn't actually like look back on these pictures, because I don't be looking. I just be thinking my hair don't be growing, but obviously it do. So leading up to my 3 years, I guess you can just say like my 2 years was just really about my hair just growing. Like my hair grew and is growing a lot now. And yeah, you guys, so here I am now, 3 years locked. I will do a 360 for y'all. Okay, so let's get into some of y'all's most asked questions. Okay, so number one definitely would be how many locks I have. I have a video on this, but people still ask me, which lets me know, like, do y'all even like really watch my videos? Do y'all even look at my channel? But whatever. I have 202 locks. So I started off with 204, but I cut the back two on my nape because they just had so much buildup, and it wasn't just at the root, it was down the entire shaft of the lock. And so I just decided to cut those and combine the roots into neighboring locks. So 202 locks. Okay, so another question that I get a lot is what kind of like parting do I have? And I'm thinking people are referring to like the brick or like the C shape. I don't really know. I didn't like specify when I got my starter locks. I kind of just went to somebody that like did people's locks the way I wanted mine done. So that's not helpful, but I hope it helps. Another question is, what do I do with my hair when I work out? So like I said, in the beginning would, okay, let me stop spinning. Be still. Okay, so in the beginning, I would of course wear my hair in styles, and that helped me a lot. So I was getting my hair retwisted every 4 weeks. So I would get my hair retwisted and get it in the style and leave it in the style for 3 weeks, and then take it down and have my hair loose for a week. And then by the time, you know, my roots are just a mess from working out that week of having my hair out, I'm already getting my hair done again. So, and even now, I wear my twist in for 2 to 4 weeks, and then I'll take my hair down. So just keeping my hair in a style helps me, but after I take my hair down from the style, I want to be able to usually get my hair done within a week or a week and a half. I don't really go too long with my hair being out like this and working out, because my roots are just gonna, you know, of course, get frizzy and unravel. So I keep my hair pretty much twisted up, and that helps me a lot. Okay, next is what size locks do I have? I don't know. I know that they're not like super small. Oh, this is a lock that has like a thin part. So yes, I don't know what happened here, but on a couple of my locks I have this like little part, something, and maybe I was like 6 months lock, something happened here. But yeah, like as y'all can see, like I don't know, this, I have this size locks. They're not big, of course, they're not super small. I just have a lot of hair, so there's just a lot of them. I would say between like a small and a medium size lock. So yeah, you guys, hopefully that like helps if you just see one individual lock. And then some of my locks are just like a little bit smaller than the other, some of them are bigger than the other. But yeah, that's this size. Okay, so the last question that I get asked the most is definitely going to be about the salicylic acid solution that I use for my seborrheic dermatitis. So I want to stress to y'all that I got this prescribed to me from a doctor, meaning this isn't just something that's kind of like over the counter and accessible. Salicylic acid, I'm pretty sure like only a certain percentage can be in products before it's considered kind of like a medical grade solution. People have gone as far to ask me what the brand of it is, the generic and the trade name of it is, and it doesn't have any of those things. It's made in the pharmacy that I get it from, and so there's no company that it comes from. This is something that my dermatologist decided to create as a solution to treat seborrheic dermatitis. Again, I do stress that if you are having scalp issues, I would definitely go and seek the opinion of a trusted dermatologist. If you are, you know, black, I would maybe try to go to a dermatologist in your area that is black, that may be more versed on African American hair and, you know, how to treat different problems that you may have with your hair and your scalp. My dermatologist is an African American woman here in the DFW area, and so she was very trusted. She was recommended to me by a family friend, so I kind of trusted her, and of course it worked out great for me. But definitely look for the help from a dermatologist. My videos about my scalp is definitely just to show you guys how I treat my scalp. Over the I guess year and a half of having to deal with my seborrheic dermatitis and my locks, it's definitely been a learning journey. I have, even now, I'm still learning and finding out different things and different products and different things I need to do with my hair to help manage my seborrheic dermatitis, to help manage any flare-ups, any, you know, dandruff or flakes that may come about. And so yeah, you guys, there's no necessarily like one fix all solution for everybody, but again, seek the help from a dermatologist first, for sure. All right, y'all, so that concludes this video. If you have any questions that I didn't answer, I kind of just answered the questions that I get asked the most, but if you have any questions that I didn't answer, leave them down below, and also make sure you like and subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notifications, follow me on Instagram, and I will see y'all in my next video.